Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can reset your Windows without losing data. So you can reset your Windows, especially if it is not working properly or you encounter issues that you don't know how to fix, then one of the best ways is to reset your Windows. Now, how can we do that? Click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on System. Scroll down and you will find Recovery, Reset, Advanced Startup, Go Back. Under Recovery options, you will find Reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal files and reinstall Windows. Click on Reset PC button. And here you have two options on how you can reset PC. Keep My Files, removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files, or remove everything. Removes all your personal files, apps, and settings. Now I need to, or I want to click on keep my files because I don't want to remove my personal files. So in your case, you can simply choose either of these two, but I'm going to go with keep my files. And here you have two options on how would you like to reinstall Windows. It could be cloud download or local reinstall. Now if you're going to go with cloud download, this needs an internet connection. Local reinstall, you can go on with this. Additional settings, current settings, restore apps and settings which came with this PC, reinstall Windows from this device. Then click on next. And that will reset your PC. So let me just quickly click on cancel. So that is how you can reset your PC without losing data. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.